Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you a cool trick to multiply any number by 12. So let's begin. So our first problem is 12 times 123. But before we start, you want to make a diagram like this. And you want to make a diagram like this for every problem. So you're going to take the number that you're multiplying by 12 and put it in the middle, and then you're going to draw two lines and write two zeros on each side. And the zeros are there to make things a lot simpler, and you don't have to put the zeros there, but if you don't, then you're just going to be multiplying and adding to nothing, which will make things a lot more confusing. So first, you're going to look at the ones place, which is 3, and you're going to take that 3 and multiply it by 2, which is 6. And you're going to take that 6 that you just got and you're going to add it to 0. And why we're adding it to 0 is because if you look at the ones place, which is 3, the closest number is 0. So 6 plus 0 is just 6. So you're going to write down 6. Our next number is 2. And just like before, you are going to take that 2 and multiply it by 2, which is 4. And then you're going to take that 4 and add it to 3. And we're adding it to 3 because 3 is the closest number to 2 towards the left. So 4 plus 3 is 7. And you're just going to write down 7. And then our next number is 1. And 1 times 2 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So you're going to write down 4. And last but not least, we have 0. And 0 times 2 is just 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. And then you have your answer, 1,476. And here I have the calculator, and our problem was this, and our answer is 1,476, which is the answer that we got. Okay, so in this problem, we'll need to carry over, so be prepared. So first, you're going to look at the ones place, and just like before, you're going to take the ones place and multiply it by 2, which is 8. And then you're going to take that 8 and add it to 0, because 0 is the closest number towards the left. And you get 8. So you're going to write down 8. And then you're going to move on to the tens place, which is 3. So you are going to multiply 3 times 2, which is 6, and then add 6 plus 4, because 4 is the closest number towards the left, and you get 10. And 10 is a 2-digit number. So you're going to take the ones place, which is 0, and you're going to write that down. But then you may be wondering, well, what are we going to do with the tens place, which is 1? So you're going to take that 1 and write it down somewhere else, and we're going to use it, and I'll tell you when to use it. So now we're just going to move on to the hundreds place, which is 1. And then you're going to take that 1, and just like before, you're going to multiply it by 2, and you get 2. And then you're going to add it to 3, because 3 is the closest number towards the left. And then you get 5. But now you're going to take that 1 and you're going to add it to the 5 that you just got, which is 5 plus 1, which gets you 6. So then you write down 6 and you can erase the 1. Okay, and last but not least, we have 0. And 0 times 2 is 0. And then 0 plus the closest number towards the left, which is 1, is just 1. And you write that down, and you get your answer, which is 1,608. And I have the calculator, and the problem was 12 times 134, and the calculator says to get 1,608, which is the exact answer that we got. But anyways, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend that may need help with the 12 times tables. Bye!